Hello students, I am Puneet, your music instructor in St. Francis Ward School. I hope all of you are following the lockdown properly and staying at home. So today we are going to learn a prayer song. The title of the prayer is Teri Hai Zameen from movie Burning Train. The basic about the song is there are four chords and the chords are C major, A minor, F major and G major. Basically this is a chord family of C major scale. So as I told you there will be four chords C major, A minor, F and G. Before knowing the chords I just want to tell you minor things about the guitar. This is for those students who are learning guitar very first time. Guitar, there are two type of guitars, electric guitar or acoustic guitar. Acoustic guitar, the guitars which we play without connecting with the amplifier, and electric guitar are those guitar which we connect with the amplifier. This is an electric guitar. So there will be 6 strings in every guitar and we start counting the strings from the downside. The most bottom string will be the string number 1, then string number 2, then string number 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. These strings having their name also. Like the string number 1 will be the string E, then string number 2 will be B, string number 3 known as G, string number 4 known as D, string number 5 known as A, and string number 6 known as E. What is C, D, E, F, G, A, B? Like we all know there are 7 notes, like we say in Hindi, Sat Sur. So as in Hindi there are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Tha, Ni. These are 7. Similarly in the Western music we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C and D, F, G and A. These 5 notes have their sharp notes as well, like C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp and A sharp. So total we have 12 notes. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp and B. So as I told you there will be 4 chords. Now I am going to tell you how to play these chords. The first chord is C major chord. So on the second string, on the first fret is that portion. This is the fret number 1. So on the second string I'll put my finger number 1, means this finger, index finger on the second string on the first fret, then my middle finger on the fourth string on the second fret, then my ring finger on the fifth string on the third fret. This is the position, you can see very properly. This position known as C major and it sounds like. Now the second chord will be the A minor. This is very easy. The C chord was like this one. What we are supposed to do, these two fingers, finger number 1 and finger number 2, means index finger and middle finger will remain on the same place. My ring finger will leave the place and it will move to third string on the second fret like this. So now what the positions are, final positions are again the same. First finger on the second string on the first fret, then ring finger on the third string on the second fret, middle finger on the fourth string on the second fret. This is known as A minor and it sounds like. So these are two chords, C major, A minor. Now the third chord. This is very important chord. This is the bar chord. So what we are supposed to do? What is bar? We make bar with the index finger. What we are supposed to do for using the bar? We have to press all the strings in one fret with index finger like this. Okay. Then my middle finger will be on third string on second fret. Then my ring finger on the fifth string on the third fret. My little finger will be on fourth string, third fret. This will be the position. This will be a F major chord. It will sound like. Now, how, because this is very difficult to make bar initially, so there is an alternate also, and the alternate is we can press second string on the first fret with the index finger like this. But if we are using the alternate F major chord, we have to avoid sixth string and first string while playing. Now the last chord, the chord G major. This is similar to the F major chord. We were using F major chord here, and the alternate was this one. Now F chord will shift to the third fret in this way. Second fret, third fret. Now we are on the third fret. Fingers are same. This is known as G major chord. And similarly, it is also having the alternate like this. Now I'm going to tell you how to play that beautiful prayer. The lyrics are तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to change the chords according to the melody of the song. My voice should match with the chords. Now we will sing. तेरी है ज़मीं, C major chord. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा. On तेरा, we will change C major to the A minor. तेरा आसमान. And on the मान, this will be C again, like this. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमान, तू बड़ा. On बड़ा, there will be A minor again. बड़ा मेहरबान. On बान, C again. तू बख्शिश कर. On बख्शिश कर, there will be F major. बख्शिश कर. सभी का है तू. On सभी का तू, C major. सभी का है सभी तेरे. सभी तेरे, A minor. खुदा मेरे, F major. खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर, तू बख्शिश कर. G major, C major. Okay, so C major, A minor, C major, F major. Now I'm playing that verse in slow tempo. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमान, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर. Now after the verse we are moving to the stanza, that is तेरी मर्जी से ए मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं. Okay, so what are the chords? Again my sound must match. तेरी मर्जी से मालिक. Stanza will start from the A minor. तेरी मर्जी से A minor, F major, C. Then second line, the tune is same, so chord will remain same. हम इस दुनिया में आए, हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं, तेरी The third line is तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने इसमें जान पाए हैं. ठीक है, सो तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं. Now on the fourth line, ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं, we will not move to the C, we will stay on F major like this. तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं, ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं. Now next line, तू सबसे बड़ी ताकत मालिक, तू चाहे तो हर आफत डाले, तू सबसे बड़ी ताकत मालिक, तू चाहे तो हर आफत डाले. C major, A minor, F major, E major, C. This will be the chord progression. So this is the song, this is the prayer, and what we learn, the chords combination C major, A minor, F major, G major. Then we learn about the guitars, what are the strings and all. Then what are the chords, how to play the chords, and we learned means how to use that chords in that song. So stay at home, stay safe, and do practice and enjoy the music. Goodbye.